This man is about to do something unique. Look, as he takes some trays, fills them with water, and places them outside his camp. By morning, the water in the trays has frozen into solid ice. He then carefully removes the ice plates from all the trays and starts connecting them together in a creative way. You can see him stacking the ice plates on top of each other and pouring cold water over them as he works. Next, he cuts some of the plates into 2 parts and joins them together perfectly. Then, he takes a glove, fills it with ice, places it on top of the plates, and pours water over it. You can see that he has created an artificial refrigerator where he can store his food and meat for a long time. This guy definitely deserves a like.